Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up custom LED notifications on your Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and we'll be using Notify Buddy app for that. So in order to do that, the first thing is to go to your Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here we want to write Notify Buddy and hit the search button. Now select this app and press install. After the process is complete, we can open the app and move to the next step. From here we'll need to grant two permissions to the app, and the first one will be notification permission, so we press on the grant button, and from here we need to find Notify Buddy and allow its access. Go back and do the same thing with overlay permission. Find Notify Buddy, press on the allow button and go back. Now here we have the third option, which is battery optimization, and it's optional. If the app doesn't work properly for you, you might consider disabling it. So let's move to the next step and press OK. From here we can start using our app, and we can see 4 tabs in the downside of the screen right here. So the first one is user, and in the user you can pick and select each app you want to get notifications from, and let's select, for example, the Snapchat and Spotify. In the system tab you can select the apps again, but they are bound to the system, so we should find something like Google Chrome here, calls, camera and stuff like that. So in the active section we can find all the apps that we've allowed LED notifications for. So here we have the Chrome, which I selected like a second ago, Snapchat and Spotify. And in the settings we can customize our LED by changing its size, its shape, or placement on the screen, or you can even change the time between blinks and etc. There's a lot of settings you can customize here, but some of the settings are locked behind the premium version of this app. Now in order to test our app and see how the LED will look like, we need to press on the test button and we'll be able to see the LED notificator right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.